Hi guys, welcome back to the live stream. Let's analyze Euro USD. Let's see what's happening in the market today. Hi, hello crypto world. Doing live stream after a lot of long time. Let's see. We are taking the liquidity of the Asian lows right now. The higher time frame, we are a little bearish on Euro USD because we had a good bull move the previous day, and let's see if we can aim for such like some kind of retracement to 61% around. The 4-hour candle has already been flipped. I'm a bit indecisive for the euro right now, as in why? Because we had a good fair value gap that was formed on the premium zone and it just got simply filled. So that's what I'm indecisive about right now. Let's see if we can get some kind of good entry. Though, if you guys wanna go for the shorts, we have already made the fair value cup right over here. But I still need some confluences. If it doesn't align with my setup, so I'm not gonna trade then. Yesterday, let's talk about yesterday. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you yesterday's trade. What happened? Actually, I was unable to actually make a trade yesterday, but we had a very excellent setup, and I knew that I had to take the entry, but then I just took a nap then. If you see on the 1 hour time frame, हमारा जो लंदन सेशन ओपन होता है ना, that has happened at 2 राइट, मतलब कि हमारा यहाँ का बचता है 12:30, तो वो होता है प्री लंदन सेशन। तो लोग ना कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बहुत ज्यादा कि लंदन सेशन में हम ट्रेड ले रहे हैं, तो हम तुम प्री लंदन सेशन क्यों ट्रेड ले रहे हो, क्योंकि प्री लंदन हमारा किल जोन ओपनिंग होती है, तो इसलिए हम प्री लंदन ही ओपन लेते हैं। तो हमारा वो 2 AM ओपन होता है देन इन न्यूयॉर्क सेशन, मतलब कि न्यूयॉर्क टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग। तो हमारा यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 12:30, यहाँ पे 12:30 बनता है हमारा। तो 12:30 की कैंडल अगर तुम देखो, ईशा का हाई ये था, तुम्हें मैं मार्क करके दिखाती हूँ। Asia high was this and Asia low was this. So it already swept the lows of Asian range, right? ठीक है, तो ये स्वेप्ट कर लिया था उसने लो। देन जब स्वीप करा उसने लो, हमने देखा कि वी विल बी टेकिंग द एंट्री ऑन द बाई साइड बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन स्वेप्ट, राइट? तो हमारा बाइस वहां से बने, बुलिश मूव दिया। एंड ऑल्सो जो ये हमारी कैंडल यहाँ पर ओपन हुई, दैट ऑल्सो टुक द हाइज ऑफ द प्रीवियस कैंडल एंड क्लोज अबव। तो हम यहाँ पे सिंपली 5 मिनट्स पे गए। आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी गाइस ऑफ यू टुक द एंट्री, बट आई विल बी हैप्पी दैट तुमने कल एंट्री कर ली होगी यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पे तुम देखो कि इतना प्यारा सेटअप बन रहा था। यू शुड हैव एंटर राइट ओवर हियर, स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ लगाना था, जस्ट 20 pips of TP, that's all. So it was a very easy TP for you guys yesterday. This was the trade, very excellent trade. I mean, with Euro USD, we're doing really great these days. But let's see. How's you? You came after a long time. Yeah, actually, I was a bit busy in things. But I'm good. How are you? Sana, are you in Trade Fluencer even now? Yeah. Did you see the video I posted yesterday? I was in the event. It happened day before yesterday in Delhi. You guys should have also should have come in the event. It was a good meeting, like meet and greet. A lot of good mentors were there. So overall, it was a good networking event. ओके, सो तो फिर हमारा यूरो यूएसडी का भी राइट नाउ व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग, आई एम रियली इनडिसाइसिव अबाउट यूरो यूएसडी बिकॉज हमारा जो मैंने आपको बताया ना 1 आवर पे वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिल्ड दिस काइंड ऑफ फेयर वैल्यू गैप अपसाइड। सो स्टिल आई एम अ बिट इनडिसाइसिव क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो ये वाला फेयर वैल्यू गैप था ना, दैट फॉर्म्ड ऑन द प्रीमियम जोन। जो देखो फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स आपको हर एक जगह मिलेंगे, हर एक प्लेस पे मिलेंगे, बट तो फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स जो हमारे प्रीमियम और डिस्काउंट पे फॉर्म होते हैं, दोज आर द मेन फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स। तो ये हमारा प्रीमियम जोन पे एक तरीके से हम कहेंगे था फॉर्मेशन, एंड इट फिल्ड। सो स्टिल दैट्स what it makes me indecisive about this trade. But again, yesterday if you came in the live stream, so we were discussing about the USD, how it took the liquidity of the of this candle of the 11th December candle, it already took the liquidity जो कल हमारी कैंडल फॉर्मेशन हुई थी। तो अगर फॉर्मेशन हमारी कैंडल ऐसी हुई थी तो शॉर्ट शॉर्ट हमारा बाइस जो है दैट इज ओवरऑल सेलिंग का बाइस बनता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? बिकॉज देखो रिट्रेसमेंट भी होनी है यहाँ से, एंड वी गॉट दिस लिक्विडिटी ऑल्सो। सो इफ दिस अ गुड एफवीजी फॉर्म ऑन द डेली टाइम फ्रेम एज वेल, तो हमारा बहुत एक अच्छा सेटअप बनेगा फॉर द शॉर्ट, right? But still on the 1 hour and 4 hour, I'm still indecisive about the trade right now, because it's still consolidating even. और अगर आप यहाँ देखो ना, यहाँ पे हमारा डेली पर भी एक फेयर वाले गैप है, फेयर वाले गैप है। सो अगेन इफ वी कैन सी कि हमारे कितने पिप्स अराउंड है, 20 20 25 अराउंड 25 पिप्स नीचे है, तो यहाँ पे भी हमें एक रिजेक्शन देखने को मिलेगी। बट अगेन इफ दिस फील्ड, एंड देन वी विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये और नीचे आएगा, फिर देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि और नीचे आएगा। मे बी देन ये इक्वल लोज लेने आ जाए, जो यहाँ पे इक्वल लोज फॉर्म हुआ है ना, रिलेटिव इक्वल लोज फॉर्म हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो ये भी लेने आ सकता है यहाँ पे। तो दिस इज हाउ वी डिसाइड, बट ऑन टेक्निकली राइट नाउ हमारा जो 1 आवर का बाइस है दैट इज इनडिसाइसिव फॉर मी। ये जो रेंज जो दिख रही है मेरे लिए, तो ये आई वुड कंसिडर कंसोलिडेशन जोन। सो सी इट्स प्योरली कंसोलिडेटिंग, there's no trend structure formation. Yes, I follow you on Insta also. I will come someday, sure. Love the short on Insta. Thank you so much. You should definitely come, like maybe next event will be either in the January or February maybe, so you should definitely come. Also we are like from 19 to 23 almost, we guys are going Goa for the trip, 3 days trip. So you should have joined us there also, because we get rarely a chance, to meet good traders at the same spot at the same time. So it's really a good learning for us. Do we have any kind of red folder? Let me see on the Forex Factory. So Euro, we have 145. We have an orange folder that is French Flash PMI. And at 2 p.m. we have red folder for the Euro, that is German PMI. And again we have 3 p.m. we have GP red folder. Mm, UST we have at 7 p.m. again. Non-farm employment change, unemployment rates, etc. And 8:15 we have PMI again. So we have a lot of red folders today, orange and red folders. So let's see if we can see some kind of move today. So it's almost at right now 145. 145 at 2 p.m. The opening of the London session, alright. Mm, let's see. But right now, I'm really indecisive about Euro USD because I can't trade in this kind of zone. So I know it will clear the seller's stop loss. The trade went very well and gave the target. Yeah, exactly. I mean, yesterday's trade, I really wanted to make it on the live stream this trade, but again, I was so sleepy because I was so much tired yesterday. And I saw this trade running. I was like, shit, I missed just my entry. But it is such a good trade. I mean, this is the example of E plus setups that you can take in Euro USD. I mean, it was a perfect liquidity sweep plus a perfect market structure forming, giving the good fair value gap, tapped into the fair value gap, plus it gave the perfect 20 pips directly, no single drawdown we had in this trade. So this kind of trade, I mean, and other day as well, it was a very good trade on the 11th December. We took this trade that I gave in the Discord. Like liquidity sweep again, I always say just check the highs and lows of the Asian range plus see the market structure. There was a good displacement candle right over here, then it formed the fair value gap. We had a good entry right on this position, on this fair value gap, tapped in. And the good part is, you know what, the good part is that uh it never, I have observed it that it never fills the fair value gap. So we have a chance that we can even, trail our stop losses to that. So it directly gives the TP and very smooth moves. It was GPUSD trade I made yesterday, not Euro USD. Yeah, GPU USD also. Like I think Nitin gave the trade in the Discord, right? I saw his trade also. GPU USD yesterday. Again, see the same moment, right? What happens in Euro USD, it reflects in GP as well. So first GP give the move, then we see the Euro USD. So Euro USD is like this. कल का जो ये था highs and lows of the Asian range, almost it took I mean it didn't took the liquidity some kind of. I mean, let me see on the 1 hour time frame. Not very well took the liquidity, but it made the equal lows. So it made the equal lows for the Euro USD, right over here. ठीक है. And then we had a proper trend structure. तो हम यहाँ अपना कहीं पे buy यहाँ पे plan कर सकते थे right over here on this zone. अगर मैं एंट्री यहाँ पे लेती यूरो यूएसडी में, तो मेरी एंट्री यहाँ पर होती somewhere around this right over here. तो मैं अपना स्टॉप लॉस रखती यहाँ पर अराउंड. हमें 1:2 मिल ही जाता आराम से. 1:2. ऐसा ऐसा कुछ ट्रेड लेती मैं। एंड अगर यहाँ पे होता ट्रेंड फॉर्मेशन तो मैं अपना ट्रेड कर लेती स्टॉप लॉस समवेयर राइट ओवर हियर। तो बढ़िया से हमें 2:1:2 से ज़्यादा मिल जाता ट्रेड यहाँ पे। तो just check the trend formation, what's happening and where's the main point of the liquidity. Again यहाँ पे हमारे relative equal lows थे। Even if you see this range and GBUSD जो हमारी ये वाली range थी, कितना अच्छा यहाँ पे liquidity था। Again if you see GBUSD and EURUSD they work similarly. Let's see अगर ये वाला हमारा फॉर्मेशन इसका ऐसे है ना, this is this scenario right now। अगर ये ऑलमोस्ट फिल हो जाता ना right over here, so I will be planning for the buys then, because again I know the market is a bit bearish right now, but still the zone is very indecisive for now. Again we have a lot of news, so there could be possibility of manipulation in the market as well. Let's see, whoever thinks that it's gonna go by मतलब कि तो already I think you could enter right over here, because we have a good setup then. We have a good fair value gap tapped in between of the fair value gap, so is patience something that you can learn? Yes, of course. Patience is the thing that you can only know by learning. You're not born with patience or things like that. You need to practice patience. If you can't practice patience, I mean, trade Euro USD and you will be knowing what is patience. After enough impulsive losses, you realize waiting protects capital more than frequently, trading. So, of course, patience is something that you have to learn and it comes with experience. Is it okay to trade today? Because I see many news today coming. See, right now I'm a little bit of indecisive for the trading today. If I get any setup, then it's fine because news है तो manipulation तो देखो होगी, liquidities यहाँ पे निकलेंगी सबकी, आज news है तो, but it's like don't stop। अगर तुम्हें लगता है तो तुम अपना रिस्क कम कर लो आज, थोड़ा रिस्क appetite कम करो अपनी बस आज, मेरे हिसाब से। बाकी ट्रेड तो करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें, but just see if there's a setup, don't force the setup, that's it। if you get the setup then trade it, no worries। I never stopped because of news, never ever कि कोई news आ रही है तो मैं नहीं trade करूंगी. It's never happened like that for me. Because usually when the setups appear to you, it's accordingly कि भाई आपका जो setup है उसके accordingly चलता है कि आपका मार्केट के लेवल्स हैं. तो मुझे पता है कि न्यूज़ हमेशा लिक्विडिटी स्वीप करती है. जब भी आती है तो उसी पॉइंट पे जाएगी कि लिक्विडिटी स्वीप करेगी आपकी. तो एंड आपका जो ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम है वो भी ऐसी फॉर्म्ड है ऑलरेडी कि हम ट्रेडिंग लिक्विडिटी के बेसिस पे करते हैं. तो इट्स नेवर हैपेंस कि भाई वो बट हाँ इम्पल्सिव मूव आते हैं तो स्टॉप लॉसेस कभी कभी चले जाते हैं. बट अगेन आई डोंट थिंक सो वी शुड स्टॉप बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. After how much time we should wait after the news to trade safely, how much it takes for the news effect to go. I think around you should wait approx 1 hour, 1.5 hour. 1 hour at least you should wait after the news or red folder, any red folder. Even for example we have a lot of news. See, if you see the pattern of euro USD, even जब भी हमारा न्यूयॉर्क में कोई भी न्यूज होती है ना, सो वी हैव अ कंसोलिडेशन हैपनिंग इन द लंदन सेशन. प्योरली अभी देखो कंसोलिडेट हो रहा है यूरो प्रॉपर्ली. सो देयर इज नो वॉल्यूम देन. So all the volume will come when the news will be there. Hello dear, hi hi, hello hi Nitin, hello, how are you? EU and GU in sales already. Okay. I was a bit indecisive about Euro, so I never placed the trade right now. But again, if anybody wanna do like take a shots in Euro, we have a good FBG right over formed over here. But again, I'm very indecisive. You know what? If you see on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame पे यार ये वाला वाले का on the premium zone, it's already been filled. And again, the market is consolidating a lot. So that's what I'm indecisive about. And even we have a lot of news today, so again consolidation में trap हो जाएंगे then. Let's see if we can see some kind of good structure. Guys, I'm gonna see if we can like side by like be on Discord and maybe I can see your you can discuss your analysis. So एक बार ये चेक करो कि हम Discord पे कोई भी लाइव आके देखो. मैं ज्वाइन करती हूँ कि हमारी वॉइस लाइक सुन रही है. So maybe you guys can also explain side by. I'll not trade US session, so much volatility will be there. Exactly. देखते हैं बिफोर यूएस सेशन तो हमारा कंसोलिडेशन ही है प्रॉपर. सो आप मुझे पर्सनल ट्रेडिंग सिखा सकते हैं. यस, हम लोग शाम को लाइव आते हैं ऑन न्यूयॉर्क सेशन. तो आप वहाँ पे ज्वाइन करो एंड कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा आप पूछो हमसे. कमिंग टू डीसी इन अ मिनट. ऑलराइट. सी इट्स ऑलरेडी फिलिंग दिस वे वाले का. दैट्स व्हाट. अगर हमने यहाँ पे शॉर्ट कर दिया होता सो वी कुड बी मे बी स्टॉप्ड आउट समथिंग. सेवन. तो मेरा स्टॉप लॉस होता यहाँ पे समवेयर अराउंड हियर 10 pips. This is the problem with currency pairs. Too much news happen, which makes setup untradable because you cannot predict the outcome of the news. Exactly, very true. It happens like Euro USD with the currency pairs. The movement is so slow. I mean, when there's no news in the currency pairs, it works so well. And like yesterday, also it gave such a good move. Like whenever we don't have any kind of news, the pairs work well. But when we have some kind of news, it just slows down a lot. So that is, yeah, that is kind of problem even. But again, I don't think so. It affects the setup. I feel it gives the move more later if you are with your bias. But again, then again, you have to see the whole choppy market whole day. According to the daily time frame, we are good with the like a bearish setup because again, I want some kind of retracement, right over here. But then again, let's see. It's possible that आज का दिन it might go in consolidation or maybe it forms some kind of indecisive candle right over here. But since we have taken the liquidity of the 11th December already, so it's sure short giving the indication of the bearish momentum on the daily time frame. But I usually don't look for the daily time frame. I just go for the 1 hour, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minutes. That's all. See, this is whole choppy zone. If euro goes to 1.17577, break this level, it can go to the bullish side. 1.17577. 577. This one. Yeah, that's possible. If it forms certain kind of bullish structure right over here with a good fair value gap, I'm gonna go for the buys then for sure. We have some kind of equal lows right over here, equal highs. सो अगर यहाँ पे ब्रेक अबव होके क्लोजिंग भी यही हो जाती है सो अगेन वी हैव अ गुड momentum that we can go for the buys then. See if you see even हमारी जो 1 hour का हमारा जोन है 1 hour का this is the Asian highs, this is the Asian lows, and if you see Asian lows are quietly swept, like there's a very tiny sweep. That's called a turtle sweep. आप अगर आप देखोगे ना तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ स्वीप राइट ओवर हियर. तो स्वीप होकर हमारी क्लोजिंग ऊपर दी है. राइट, दैट व्हाट्स मेक इंडिसेसिव कि डेली हमारी थोड़ी बेरिश है. एंड 1 आवर का स्वीप ऊपर हुआ है. प्लस हमारा एवरेजी भी, हमारा ये जो एवरेजी था यहाँ पे, ये भी ऊपर हमारा सारा कवर हो गया है. तो अब यही है कि बुलिश, मेरा तो बायस थोड़ा सा बुलिश रहेगा अगर यहाँ पे कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होगा ना. आई विल ओनली टेक बायस फॉर दैट. Can you hear my voice on the Discord? Ah, I can hear your voice. Good, good. Perfect. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. GPUSD. And are you in the euro, yeah, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Exactly. Today, I feel euro is quite indecisive right now, so I'm also not looking for any entry right now.
So another question for you. So I'm actually looking into cells only, but when it comes to this area, this particular area, it is tapping into the 70% zone. So previous day New York's defining range has been tapped with the midpoint, and selling is being continued. Like there is another structural break over here, and I'm looking for sells, but the kind
Yeah.
of move which I'm anticipating is not happening. When it comes to
Okay.
GBP, it gave a very clear move.
Mm-hmm.
But when it comes to Euro USD, I didn't see any kind of supply. Only this supply got, stopped out in the
Mm-hmm.
reverse, but it got consolidating there. So
Exactly,
when it comes to
exactly.
GBP USD, the New York session, low has been taken out, a supply has been formed, stop got
Mm-hmm.
reversed.
Okay.
Because if it really wants to go up, but it should have like continued like taking like this,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
like this. So this is a breakout, or this is the structure break over here. So it has to continue like this, or maybe like dipping back into here, and again I have to see a kind of buying, but it didn't happen like here.
Mm-hmm.
It broke the structure, formed a reversal, tried to push, but no, this
Correct.
high entry is still protected over here. So this reversal and my entry will be here on the third candle opening, and I'm
Okay.
taking a stop for this area. That's it.
Okay, okay, okay. Getting it. सही है. I mean, ठीक है, आज वैसे भी कुछ लग नहीं रहा है कि if we can get any setup.
I don't think मुझे भी नहीं लगता कि आज कुछ मिलेगा करके.
Exactly. Again, I think the volume has been started. Keep low volume, maybe.
Yeah. No, it will completely consolidate. Like I said last week itself, we
Hmm.
won't be finding any kind of good trades as of now.
Exactly, no.
One, and next week it will be again Christmas. So like
Hmm.
it will be completely holiday week.
Correct, correct.
So we can expect a good move from January itself.
Yeah. January is like around, I will be trading somewhere around 5th of like Jan something.
Even first, second is also not good because first is New Year, bank holiday.
Yeah.
Second will be like somewhat, it's a weekend, right? So
Yeah.
majority of people won't be trading because it's the end of the week, so they won't be risking their money.
Correct. सही बात है. So I think सबको avoid करना चाहिए during like 25th से लेकर 23 something से लेकर 5th of Jan तक तो. Even I'm not sure if YouTube people can hear your voice. I just wanted to make sure that.
Not sure if my voice is coming on stream because I'm actually not looking onto your stream because though it's running, but I cannot turn on the volume.
Because I've shared the Discord page. Let me see from the other phone if we can.
Let me see once. Just checking. My voice is coming very low. I mean, on
Is
stream.
it?
Yeah, yeah, it is very low. Check if my
My
volume is on 100% or not.
your volume. Wait, let me see.
You click on my, I mean, right click on my profile in Discord, and you can adjust your volume
Um,
bar over there.
okay, your user volume is a bit lower. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have done it fully. Yeah,
Now it might be good, I guess.
a bit still slow. Wait.
Check with the chat if they can say anything. If my
I
volume is
have,
fine.
I have written in the chat. Guys, can you hear like the voice? I don't know, like there are like three, four people watching, so
I'm one of them anyhow.
yeah. Okay.
I'll do one thing. I'll be muting my laptop over just a few seconds so that I can check on stream.
Yeah, your voice is a bit slow. If I'm gonna do your voice
It's still
fully,
low.
maybe I think I can put my mic right over here and maybe a bit,
You
maybe.
can share the audio itself on the laptop.
No, it's already shared. It's
Okay.
already shared. Yeah.
Just for experiment, maybe.
Oh wait. I think might be audible now because I have placed my mic towards my laptop.
Okay. Okay, your laptop is on speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. If you're having headphones, right, so it won't be an issue. You can't change two separate channels in Discord.
So in headphones, it's better.
Yeah, it will be better. I mean, probably wired one.
But then I think I won't be able to. I mean, the audience won't be able to hear. I guess.
Maybe. Are you using OBS for the
Yeah,
streaming?
yeah. Oh, I'm using OBS. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Maybe I'll check with my friend. So because I never streamed on YouTube, so the thing is,
Okay.
OBS you will be using your microphone and your system, but when it
Mhm.
comes to your laptop speaker, it won't be using. So that is something I'm expecting something like that. So it will
Mhm.
be having two separate channels rather than sharing directly, from your laptop itself rather than your speakers.
Okay. I think I might. We can hear now. Okay, these guys can hear now. Okay, all right. Perfect then. But I'm just figuring out what would happen where your screen went. What screen?
I think it's there.
It's there, but it's like you have popped out the player to another window. I'm just figuring out what's happening. Maybe this. Yeah, now I can see. Okay.
So
Yeah, perfect.
that's my trade for today. Apart from this, I don't feel like, getting another trade for today, maybe even for this week or maybe for next week.
Mm-hmm.
Into these space, probably UD, USD, maybe we can get a trade in here, maybe. I'm not sure, but the thing is, see if this supply has been tapped. And again, if I draw a good Fibonacci from here to here, so it is reacting good. Take note this we can plan an AMD setup for this probably. So let me plotting somewhere around here. But the stops are a bit high. That is why I'm not sure. Though it will go down, but the stops are a bit high. 1 is to 2 is a good risk
Mm-hmm.
reward.
Okay.
You see one way because London session has been started, right?
Yeah,
So
the London. But we have a news right now at 1:45 around.
yeah, but is it for AUD USD?
No, no, no. It's no. That was for Euro, I guess.
Because for USD it is after 6 p.m. right? So
No,
maybe
wait,
it is
wait, wait.
even for Euro or maybe GBP for 130 or maybe 330.
Wait, let me see. Mm, for the now everything is lagging since I'm just open the two softwares.
So we have this. No, I'm opening anyhow. We have 2 p.m. Euro, German flash manufacturing and PMI,
All
and
right.
3 p.m. GBP flash managing and PM, another flash services PMIs.
Mm-hmm.
And there is another tentative weekly employment change that would be around like 6 p.m. if I'm not wrong. And maybe
Okay.
by 7 p.m. till 8:15 we'll be having news for USD. So 2 and 3 p.m. are only for USD and sorry Euro and GBP, not for any other currencies.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I think we can actually trade something with AUD USD probably, but I'm not sure because the risk reward is not good for me. Though we can take a very small risk from here because we have this rejection, right? So even if we place a trade over here, we can take a very small risk from this area. Stops at this side because this supply is already being mitigated. I mean, this supply is being mitigated, and this could be the pullback from the 79% zone, targeting the Asian lows for here. Maybe we can take a small risk. Like people who are on stream, manage your risk accordingly because this is something which I prefer selling from here, and this one also good because we have the good pullback over here.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Yeah, it is a 1 is to 4.35, and yeah, that is still good.
Yeah. I mean.
Try to enter with a very small quantity, not more than that, rather than just doing entire capital USD. just a little is fine. If you remember, it was around like $28 the last following. If it reversed, else not. The profit will be something around like 80.
The Asian range has already been swept now in AUD.
Around like $100 will be my target, and
Mm-hmm.
$88 will be my stop loss. 1 is to 3
Mm-hmm.
something. Yeah, it's a good risk to reward.
Yeah, exactly.
If my stop taken out, then if it reverse, yeah, this shouldn't shift too much at all here. But one minute access is also into any kind of zones that are yet pending. But my bias is never on the moment. 1 hour, 4 hour, 5 and 15. Sometimes maybe 30.
Euro has already filled the fair value gap that we were looking at. So I don't think so there would be any kind of sales.
Which time frame? 1 hour.
Yeah. No, no, 5 minutes fair value gap.
Okay, the bearish trend.
Even on the 1 hour time frame, if you see, we have already filled the fair value gap that was formed in the premium zone. So again, that got me like, no. We have the red folder, right? At 145 or 2 something.
No, no red folder.
No, for the euro.
It's 2 and 3 p.m.
2 and 3 p.m., right? Okay.
Yeah, 2 p.m. is for euro and sorry, GBP I guess, and 3 p.m. is for the other one. 3 p.m. is GBP, 2 p.m. for euro.
Okay, okay, okay.
I completely reduced my pace only for these gold, USD, JPY, GBP, euro, and Nasdaq and US30. Like having so many pairs literally, drained me a lot.
But again, it's good if we don't get any kind of opportunity in some kind of pair, then we can look for another.
Mm. But it literally pushed me like take trade all the time, which
That is a yeah.
I'm literally like even in the mid for this GBP
I
time
have
frame.
seen you just posting your trades at the 12 or 1 a.m. and I'm like, man, you should sleep.
No, the thing is, I'm actually doing my office work also.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, so once I'm done with my office, I won't be able to sleep at the I mean like immediately.
Mm-hmm.
It will take around like 2 to 3 hours for me to get sleep. I don't know. This actually has I've been suffering from this since 2016 because in my engineering time I used to do a lot of late night group studies and everything.
Okay.
Actually, messed up my entire sleep cycle.
Yeah.
On top of
Sleep
that,
cycle.
when here with my office, so whenever we have this peak season from October to December, these
Yeah,
2 months
yeah,
will be
yeah.
like peak for us.
Okay.
The majority of the business times, right, in
Mm-hmm.
US area.
Yeah, yeah,
This
yeah.
Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Christmas,
Hmm.
Halloween, everything. And when it comes to even mid June to July also, there will
Yeah.
be sales. So
Mm-hmm.
these are the times in a year where we literally face so many issues and at the same point
Okay.
Present for the e-commerce side, completely relying on AWS side. But the thing is, we do have offers running on AWS platforms and
Yeah.
keep systems running all the time.
So basically, your work time is starts when, like from the midnight.
Currently, I'm working for the US time zone, which is
Okay.
around like evening 5 p.m. to night 2 p.m. Apart from only for every year, there is a something which we can't avoid because majority of our business actually
Mm-hmm.
comes at this time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I can totally understand that why your sleep cycle is messed up.
Exactly. And post this, we'll be back to our regular working hours. It could be either from 1:30 p.m. to night 10:30, or maybe like 11 to 8 or 9 or something.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Crazy.
Only, I mean, like nobody can't avoid this, except for the customer service. We
Mm-hmm.
actually automated most of the customer queries through our bot.
Okay, okay. But then again, you have like a spare time to watch the charts. You can manage that.
I actually, honestly saying, I actually don't have. But the thing is, like,
Huh.
whenever I mark a couple of alerts, maybe on Sanya or Facebook, if any of those alerts are getting pop up in the next week or something,
Yeah.
at that time I'll be like looking, or maybe if I get any kind of time, then only I'll be looking at charts. But post my office hours, like, I spend around like 2 to 3 hours on looking the charts, like what is actually happening, trying to
Mm-hmm.
understand how price is actually behaving in any kind of premium discount zones, stuff like that.
Okay. But it's like kind of difficult and kind of make, brain go crazy because you watch the charts all the time. No?
It actually does. For that, only I'm actually trying to, not look at charts. Most of the time, I just like, go outside, watch something else.
Yeah, correct.
Completely, though I really want to avoid, but the thing is, that kind of, dopamine release in our brain. Look at the chart, you might find it great. That kind of thing literally kicks into my mind in a heavy amount. Then
That's not a good thing.
keep checking the charts. Even my father also getting worried about me. You're taking a lot of stress. This is not good.
Mhm. That's very true because watching the charts 24/7 plus you doing the work at the same moment, it's kind of like brain rotting. Like,
Not just brain rotting, honestly, but it's beyond that because though like I said, since my engineering, my sleep cycle has been completely messed up. But
hmm
Nitinji is an engineer. He can handle stress. No problem. मतलब इतने लोग कब आ गए भाई यहाँ पे मेरे को पता भी नहीं
I was also surprised.
no, no, my Discord is not actually showing any kind of, not giving any kind of that pop in, pop out sounds.
Yeah, exactly. But I think you have just placed your screen and I think, I don't know.
This one, I guess,
Yeah, you are on the
this
charts now, that's why you can see.
is a very low res, but that's okay.
Like the other people watching on the YouTube as well.
Even my chart is up. I'm still like looking at my other screen related to my office work. I literally have four screens with me.
Four screens.
Yes, two monitors, one laptop, and another monitor.
Crazy. The tech guy.
Not the tech guy, but the thing is, I had to buy these two monitors for my office purpose, but I'm using it for something else.
Oh, okay.
Just a moment, my father is calling.
It just has been messed up since I've opened my two things, the YouTube and Discord at the same time, and I'm just looking for where is my live stream gone. Did you guys took any trade? value, truth, or S.
No, no, no. No trade till now. Just looking. Sanya, do you
Yeah.
means do you means remember me?
Yeah, I know. I
Yes,
remember.
yes. Suman goes. Yes.
Of course. You come every day, so how can I forget you?
Yes, yes. Yes.
I appreciate you for that. Like you show up every day, like
I also.
regard.
I also.
That makes a bit trading more fun, when you discuss the things with
And
each other.
see, I also trade alone, like it makes the process very boring.
Exactly. That's the thing.
Some companionship is needed.
Yeah, I mean, when you share your analysis and it's like a different kind of perspective, like everyone get. So
Yes.
that's the one of the things.
And we learn also from each other, no?
That's the part, right?
Otherwise, it will take means more time to means master the
That
strategies.
that's the point. When you learn alone, you don't know that what kind of traps or pitfalls you're gonna get ahead. So, when you have the people that already are doing a bit good, then you can,
In
ask
trading,
them.
nobody tells you what to do. That is a means blessing also. That is a curse also.
Exactly.
It got stopped out for me. Like, that's okay because anyhow I captured 1 is to 4, this 1 is to 1, no worries. Because here, this area was something which I wanted to, look out for. The supply under another supply. अभी पूरे दिन यही करेगा स्टॉप एंड करते रहेगा ऐसे जबरदस्त मैंने ले लिया मतलब हाँ एएमडी सेटअप के अनुसार तो ठीक है बट नो
तुम्हारा वो स्टॉप आउट हो गया ना?
हाँ हाँ ये हो गया स्टॉप आउट हो गया क्योंकि मेरा
हाँ।
यहाँ पे मैं सी दिस वाज द मेन सप्लाई दिस वाज माय मेन ट्रेड दिस वाज नॉट
हम्म।
इवन माय पर्सपेक्टिव over here this was this has taken out maybe two rejections so I thought it might reverse but it didn't
Okay.
even in 1 minute also see we have these rows are taken out over here and it got reversed up so
There
this
was
might be a
relative equal highs also ना वहाँ पे.
yeah so if the new trade has to come then I'm 100% taking है ना because two trades done because 2 बजे से न्यूज़ भी है सब कुछ भी है इवन दो इफ इट इज नॉट फॉर दिस ट्रेड दिस वुड स्टिल
On.
बी प्रॉफिटेबल बिकॉज इस सप्लाई के अंदर ये वाला सप्लाई फॉर्म हुआ था यहाँ पे
Okay.
so this is something which I'm looking into but if I get any kind of good rejection so I might be taking another trade from something over here targeting entire Asian lows and it has to happen in this London session itself because
And you,
this trading has been
uh,
done in the New York Open we
yeah,
have been seeing wild moves here and there
today na, because you have NFP. Hey, USD, we have got the fair value gap for the upside structure.
let me see if this supply can be traded or not but don't trade this trade but I'm not sure because थोड़ा शो इसलिए हो क्योंकि ये वाला सप्लाई के अंदर ये एक नया सप्लाई फॉर्म हुआ है एग्रेसिव सेलिंग जो हुआ था
Okay.
so this might be a good option but still even if this stops out and I'll be still on profit for today
अभी टैप इन नहीं हुआ ना वो.
नहीं हुआ अभी होने वाला है मतलब होने के बाद जो भी ट्रेड है ना आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉर रिजेक्शंस
Mm-hmm.
बिकॉज जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो एशियन सेशन के ऊपर मुझे जैसा ये नो रिजेक्शन होता है ना दिस वाज माय एंट्री पॉइंट so
Okay.
I'll be looking for the same again over here just mark the supply and this under variance
तो तुमने अभी जो ट्रेड लिया था जिसमें तुम स्टॉप आउट हुए थे तो उसमें टैप इन तो नहीं हुआ था अभी सप्लाई में?
नहीं, मैं AMD लॉजिक यूज़ किया था, नॉट द सप्लाई डिमांड जोन।
ओके ओके
AMD
ओके।
जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो एशियन हाइज यहाँ पे टेकआउट हुआ,
हम्म।
हमने बेसिकली बिकॉज दिस विल बी वेरी क्विक स्कैल्प टू एशियन लोज, राइट?
या।
अभी देखो ये लो से लेके ये हाई बनाया एंड दिस लो हैज बीन टेकन ओवर हियर, सो like even the people who really don't want to miss मतलब जैसे they can enter over here or maybe they can actually enter at this volume imbalance and as well as this entire fair value gap. So this was my if biologically this could be the probably entry point, but I entered over here and this has been stopped out for me, and now this is getting rejected over here. But if this rejection happens from over here in this zone, so that would be another good confluence for me, my core setup, supply demand.
ओके।
And at the same time, if we observe, we can have three highs actually meeting at this point. This one,
या
the
द ट्रेंड लाइन।
we have supply just above the trend line, right? So this, I feel like this could be something like this, going up over here, taking down, and even if this supply has been stopped out, I'll be very happy with that because the entire liquidity will be grabbed from this entire supply range, and then something like this towards the Asian lows.
लेट्स सी एक टैप ही चाहिए ना हमें ऊपर की तरफ जस्ट।
Tap which I because this low and this high, this is a very good area for me to sell because see, in 1 hour also we have this huge rejection, right? And after that we have this huge selling, aggressive selling in 1 hour time frame.
करेक्ट।
Even in 4 hour time frame also, see, this is a very huge big red candle over here, and this is same way which I'm marking on the and as well as the supply which I'm looking for to sell. So this entire lows has been taken out by this one, and maybe I can hold this at this get to close also, and might come up to Asian highs, and then it has to continue buying because when it comes to 4 hour, it is continuously in buying zone. As long as this low is been, we have this kind of good low over here. This could be the good area of liquidity to grab when it comes to selling again. And also currently this level is good and looking good for me. When it comes to trade thinking, yes, this low has to be protected, or maybe like even in a good sweep is okay for me. We can actually plan for positional longs from this zone after taking this liquidity. Since we don't have any kind of flip in bearish level on a daily time frame or at this zone, rather than we have this buys.
या
So as long as flow is protected, I'm okay. If this sweeps out, and if we get another buying candle, I mean, on the next subsequent day, we can looking for buys, targeting this area of highs.
ऑलराइट। I'm looking for the buys in you right now.
You, you, I don't suggest like take any trade. It is not looking good. It is too high.
Exactly, it's consolidating right now, but let's see if we can get something maybe. Heck, whenever there's a news in NY session, news just like consolidates a hell.
See, look at this. This is going to be unit finance now. So the previous 4 hours low has been taken up, okay,
Hmm.
and if this, though as per you just said like you'll be looking for buys, the
Hmm.
buys has been already done over here. So
Hmm.
selling at this point right now will be like something which I don't prefer because
Yeah,
this
because the
is
half acre is also being filled.
we have this equalize over here at the same time from this side to this side, so you might be finding two equalize over at the same range. So not this one,
Hmm.
sir, not this one. I didn't say this one. So and we have this 4 hour flip also, like yesterday I marked, right?
Yeah, the four, the yeah, yeah, correct.
I couldn't actually like place my trade at this point. I exited with something like $12 because it's
Hmm.
too much for me. So people who are actually in the sales might be like looking for potential entries in 1 hour like in this zone, this entire zone.
Mm-hmm.
If I say, see, so from this side to this low, trades are taking off for something like this. This 70 to 79% of optimal trade entry points. So buying, I don't suggest right now because I'm not sure. If your setup is allowing, then that's okay.
Mm.
But when it comes to personally speaking, I would suggest to go either buying or selling at this time.
All right.
Up to 3 p.m. only because GBP and USD both will be like in a proper
They
range.
will be having a kind of ups and downs.
We're just looking for liquidity and it's actually building liquidity because
Hmm.
it actually gets a good amount of liquidity. But when it upsides, we have only one or two. But when it comes to downsides, many lows are yet to been hunted. So that is one reason I'm actually looking into.
Mm-hmm. But the curious, if you see, we have already been have been like taken out the liquidity of the lows. But again, I feel what I feel is mostly we can get the consolidation. That's all today.
We are already consolidating. See,
Yeah.
in the 4 hour time frame. So this 4 hour candle market is ranging in this 4 hour. Taking
Hmm.
the lows of the previous 4 hour candle low,
Exactly.
and it couldn't take the yesterday's for this candle. I mean, this one is not yet taken out, but this one has been taken out, and it's still in the entire yesterday's 4 hour range. You can say, or maybe you can say it is in the yesterday's entire day range.
Yeah. Now it took the liquidity of the Asian highs right now.
Yeah. See, now it is in the yesterday's range, and if we shift slowly, so let me mark the yesterday's range first. Now we shift to the 4 hour. So this is the yesterday's range. If this high or this low has to be taken, then we might see a kind of we can expect price to move because if this high has been taken out, the stocks who actually entered in flip will be stopped out over here, and we might see a reversal maybe because this is a strong selling zone even in 4 hour time frame. If you observe from this zone, see, which I actually marked. If I This is the supply area, the entire supply area, and it is still in the same zone. We have the flip in the supply area filling the 50% of the zone. So
Mm-hmm.
this was my second point for me to actually exit at this time. But imagine if the same trade, if the same setup happens around in the early morning in the Asian
Yeah.
session of today, I mean today Asian session. So we can literally have played a good amount of lows till maybe from this low. Even we could have been captured 1:1 over here.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Apart from that, I don't feel any buy versus in euro right now.
I just want this month to be skipped out.
It is too slow if you observe, very slow. Only
Yeah.
gold reacted good. We had this entire buying range from this range to till here, and again we have this entire good range of selling. It is completely, preferably I can say you can say it as a kind of banking manipulation because
Mm.
whenever people always look for the breakouts, right? See, at the discount price, market actually literally, the Asian lows has been taken out. Market tries to push down, but when it comes to we have this reversal at this section, and we are chasing order flows over here from the banks, and it actually is went up so high for this 4 hour supply, and as well as the if you remember this equal highs. One second, this equal highs, and we have this supply, and we have this fill. We have the fill over here, and again we have this entire selling range. And I'm just waiting for this demand to come. If I really want to buy gold, I'll be looking from this range in 1 hour time frame. And again we have another new strong trade. I still feel sleepy.
Actually, euro is means
Hmm?
having some reasons to buy for me also, but I am not taking because of this news.
See, with the new, to be honest, for me, it's like I don't care about news. If it's gonna play out, it's gonna play out regardless of what news is gonna do. Like I personally feel like that. See,
personally say one thing always,
hmm,
news के बारे में कुछ suddenly we cannot grasp it.
hmm,
The thing is, news क्या करता है ये हमको नहीं पता. It could be in
exact,
positive way for euro only. So
correct.
even though if it is positive, it might take
It's
stops above and below.
it's
So
probability.
I'm just
Or
हाँ तो मैं वो सेटअप को मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ अभी फिलहाल जो ऊपर नीचे दोनों मेरा मतलब स्टॉप्स ले लें तो फिर एक थोड़ा कंसोलिडेशन हो जाए एंड फिर उसके बाद एक स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक हो या कुछ डिमांड बना के एक मतलब छोटा एग्रेसिव मूव बना बना दो ताकि मुझे एक डिमांड आइडेंटिफाई कर सकूं ताकि मैं दोबारा जब वहां पे जब टैप
right.
करेगा मार्केट तो आई एम
Hmm,
लाइक टेकिंग द ट्रेड
correct. So
something
if
like
I,
this it's very simple concept supply demand okay we have this like rally base reversal maybe and you can say this rally. So whenever a rally happens and if a base actually creates and when the base has been has been like broke out, so we'll be looking at like this area would be our area of demand. So usually where we can place our entries like either we can place entry over here and in the continuation we can place entry over here. So this one side kind of setup like imagine the same setup with this one like deciding just flip this image. But when it comes to the continuation like rally a small base again rally. So like this is how it could be. I usually identify these areas like where market is actually consolidating a lot. So from that area I can actually place my trades.
I think in news it might move. I did a quick downside scalping goal.
I'll be waiting for 10 minutes for taking the previous day's liquidity because as long as it is ranging in the same range I'm afraid to take
See,
any
see, see.
trade in any
I
side.
I'm gonna show you where is this? Yeah. If you guys can see my screen. I was thinking to, huh?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Can you see?
yeah, yeah.
I was thinking right over here, but it never tabbed actually. So something ऐसा कुछ but tap नहीं हुआ तो again going straight.
जिस हिसाब से जीपी पे मुझे मतलब मेरा बात
Hmm.
सुनता है आई फील लाइक इट लिटरली लिसन टू मी
Okay.
ऐसे कि भाई तो रहने दे आराम से मैं तेरे को ट्रेड दूंगा ऐसे कुछ बोलता है मेरे को मैं तो सुनाई देता है मुझे बट व्हेन इट कम्स
जी.
टू यूरो एंड गोल्ड आई डोंट फील बट हाँ गोल्ड ठीक है इट इज यू नो काइंड ऑफ हाई ऑक्टेन बोलता हूँ मैं उसको
Hmm.
हम एकदम पावरफुल फ्यूल जो होता है ना एचपी हाई ऑक्टेन फ्यूल जैसा लाइक छोटा छोटा मूव भी इतना एग्रेसिवली मूव करता है ऐसे भाई ऐसे ही 100 पे 200 पे ऐसे रहता है
हाँ गोल्ड यार गोल्ड जब हम पहले ट्रेड करती थी मैं लाइक कि 100 पिप्स बहुत होते हैं लाइक 100 पिप्स तुमने कैप्चर कर लिए इट्स अ लॉट नहीं तुम्हें दिख नहीं रही है स्ट्रीम में एक मिनट हाँ स्ट्रीम अब दिखेगी ना ऐसा कुछ सोच रही थी बट इट नेवर टैप्ड यहाँ से यार क्यों नहीं हो रहा है पॉज द दिस प्रीव्यू टू सेव योर रिसोर्सेज you guys can't see my screen
यस यस आई कैन
I think जो YouTube पे देख रहे हैं उन्हें नहीं दिख रहा the Discord link invite link is expired just a second I'm gonna show you guys can somebody place the Discord link in the chat maybe on the YouTube or wait I'm gonna do
आई एम पेस्टिंग यस आई लाइक मुझे नोटिस आना पड़ेगा
copy this the thing is that whenever I try to place the the link it just gets expired in few days so it's kind of problematic so I just shared you
आपका लिंक और मेरे जो लिंक दोनों अलग अलग आ रहा है आई डोंट नो व्हाई
अलग मतलब यूट्यूब पे आपका आया नहीं लेकिन कोई भी चैट में।
सच में भाई, रिफ्रेश करना एक बार।
Mm, I don't think so.
या नाउ यू माइट गेट।
वैसे मैंने पेस्ट कर दिया है।
अरे नहीं, मेरा वो लिंक पेस्ट करने नहीं दे रहा यूट्यूब, इट्स ब्लॉकिंग मी।
नहीं हो रहा, जो मैंने कर दिया पेस्ट, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके ओके।
तो आई थिंक ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो रहा है ये। इट्स लाइक आई एम रिज्यूमिंग माय चार्ट ओवर हियर एंड वहां पर डिस्कवर हो रहा है फिर। आई थिंक मे बी अब दिख जाए। हाँ आई थिंक अब दिख रहा है। हाँ तो बस मेरी एंट्री यहाँ पे प्लेस करनी थी बट इट नेवर टैप्ड एट ओवर हियर। तो ये जस्ट फ्लिप हो गया फिर 5 मिनट्स ऑलरेडी। मैं तो यार 25 लेती if we can put the result somewhere out of here तो भी 6:6 मतलब 1:2 आराम से बहुत अच्छा मिल सकता है इसमें। बट अगेन वही रिस्क क्यों करना है। तो समथिंग लाइक दिस।
इवन एवरीथिंग इज आल्सो कंसंट्रेटिंग नाउ, सो आई डोंट प्रेफर ट्रेडिंग इट आल्सो। इट डोंट इवन
हाँ
मैटर
मतलब
व्हाट।
जस्ट अवॉइड ट्रेडिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूज़ आज तो मुश्किल ही है आज का ट्रेड करना।
एक्चुअली यूजिंग माय ऑफिस लैपटॉप फॉर ट्रेडिंग ओनली।
बट यार आई वाज सो satisfied कल का ट्रेड देखकर। इट वाज सच अ lovely trade. I was like, I was in the middle of my sleep and I was like, okay, I'm gonna place my entry and after 5-10 minutes and I never woke up. And I had a very bad FOMO because of this. I was like, I would have cleared one of the second phase of my money account because of this. But then,
हो जाएगा, मेरा भी एक पेंडिंग है सही 10,000 का
hmm.
सेकंड फेज।
but I seen this kind of thing कि अगर तुम्हारा वो है ना यार क्या बोलते हैं तुम्हें इनफ वो मिल रहा है और taking risk capacity in that funded accounts then only it's possible to somehow clear the account. यार मतलब 1% if you take the one मतलब हाँ अगर तुम्हारा आरआर अच्छा है तो it's easy but for a person who is taking like 1:1 or 1:2 it's kind of time consuming thing.
गोल्ड में किसी को स्कैल्प चाहिए? थोड़ा रिस्की है क्योंकि मेरा
Somebody
बंद हो गया।
scalped I think in अभी गोल्ड में किसी ने स्कैल्प किया था। यू आई तुम शेयर कर लो स्क्रीन कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
नहीं नहीं, आई एम नॉट शेयरिंग। अबे यार, fuck, I did a mistake.
What happened?
मैंने अपना सेशन टू इंडिकेटर तो निकाल दिया, सेशन टू कलर्स में अपने आईज को स्ट्रेन ना करके वो कलर सब कुछ लगाया था, वो गलती से हट गया और ऊपर से मैंने ट्रेडेड भी क्रॉस कर दिया था, हालांकि इंडिकेटर लोड नहीं रहा है। अपार्ट अपन चेकिंग मैंने वो इंडिकेटर निकाल दिया।
Which indicator?
सेशन ट्रेड हाँ हाँ, बट द थिंग इज आई हैव टू
Okay, then.
लाइक सेट इट अगेन टाइम्स एंड एवरीथिंग।
Okay.
अंडू भी नहीं कर सकता, मैं ट्रेडिंग को क्लोज कर दिया।
अच्छा इशू यार नहीं दिखती स्ट्रीम नहीं दिखती इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। आई एम ट्राइंग कि ये दोनों चीजें साथ में हो बट नहीं हो पा रहा है। बट अगेन गाइस अगर तुम लोग ट्रेड कर रहे हो टुडे तो बी केयरफुल टुडे रिस्क थोड़ा कम लो बाकी तो ठीक है सब अगर लेना ही है तो। बट यार आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग कि फटाफट ये महीना जाए एंड वी कैन कंटिन्यू बैक।
दिमाग खराब हो जा रहा है मेरा तो।
आई एम लाइक कि हाउ विल आई stop that kind of urge to not take trade this month.
वीक ही बोल दिया, लास्ट वीक। इसलिए मैं अपना अभी जो जो भी ट्रेड मैं अभी ले रहा हूँ ना,
हम्म
वो इट इज लेस देन हाफ क्वांटिटी। यूजुअली 10,000 के अकाउंट पे आई ट्रेड
हम्म
0.5 लॉट टू 1 लॉट इन बिटवीन। मतलब
ओके
समझो कि अगर स्टॉप लॉस मेरा बहुत छोटा है,
हम्म
लाइक ट्रेडिंग में पे अगर 4-5 पॉइंट का वहाँ पे दिखता है ना, लाइक
या
इफ इट इज लाइक 4.5 वेरी स्मॉल, जस्ट लाइक इन वन कैंडल, तो मैं 1.0 लॉट करता हूँ।
ओके
बट इफ इट इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड दैट, देन आई विल बी लाइक 0.5, मतलब 0.5 फिक्स नहीं है मेरा।
हम्म
एंड इफ यू आर लाइक $40-$50 एंड इफ यू आर गोल्ड पे, तो 0.03 से लेके 0.05 लेता है। आई
ओके
हैव द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टू ट्रेड टिल 0.1, बट नो, क्योंकि जिस वजह से गोल्ड एग्रेसिव मूवमेंट की वजह से ना, आई कांट ट्रस्ट, क्योंकि
हम्म
गोल्ड का स्टॉप लॉस भी उतना ही बड़ा होता है जितना वो दिखता है वो।
करेक्ट। नहीं, अभी ट्रेड करना तो यही है कि हाफ क्वांटिटी में ही ट्रेड करो यार।
मैं हाफ से भी कम कर रहा हूँ अभी फिलहाल, जैसे मैं जब एडी यूज तो 0.25 लॉट से किया था मैंने।
ठीक है यार, बढ़िया है। मैं तो आई डोंट थिंक मैं ट्रेड भी कर पाऊंगी इस महीने। आई थिंक आई एम लकी कि मैं 18 से 23 तो हूँ ही नहीं यहाँ पे। तो वो चला जाएगा टाइम एंड आई हैव टू बेयर विद लाइक वन वन वीक ऑलमोस्ट एंड
सही है।
अगेन गाइस, अगर तुम लोग लंदन या फिर न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में लाइव आ जाना तुम सारे, तो तुम लोग
मुश्किल है,
होस्ट।
मेरा भी थोड़ा मुश्किल है, बिकॉज आई
ओके
एम नॉट
ओके।
इन माई होम टाउन, आई डोंट हैव माई पीसी विथ मी यहाँ
अच्छा
पे।
अच्छा।
जो भी मतलब मॉनिटर जो पड़ा है यहाँ पे,
हम्म
Sanya, I took a trade in Euro USD with means less lot.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम
Less
यार।
quantity.
हम्म।
मैं भूल गया सेशन का टाइमिंग क्या रखना है मेरे को, तो आई थिंक आई हैव टू सेट इन।
वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, मेरे को तीन चार उसमें ना जंप करना पड़ता है, लाइक तीन चार फंडेड अकाउंट में उसमें जाना पड़ता है, उसमें जाना पड़ता है, सब में चेक करना पड़ता है कभी कभी। कि कभी कभी तो पता ही नहीं होता कि ट्रेड लगी हुई है, स्टॉप थी कि नहीं थी।
क्या ही बोल सकते।
Sanya, yesterday's event, Morningstar Rohit sir came.
हाँ हाँ, मॉर्निंग स्टार वाज देयर एंड रोनित वाज देयर एंड बैंक्स
Banks
विद,
with
हाँ बैंक्स विद सैम था, स्नेहा थी एंड सौम्या वाज देयर। अच्छा इवेंट था।
Morningstar Rohit BMW purchase you saw in Instagram?
क्या चीज?
BMW
हाँ हाँ,
Morningstar.
he actually made his entry in BMW.
Ah.
एंड व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि उन्होंने उनका टायर खराब हो गया वहां पे, and he was like no no I can't run my session. He was so upset with that. He was like I will be कि मैं बाद में करूंगा अपना स्पीच। That would happen.
BMW वाले कैसे काम करने लगे?
And he was like कि I have to take the payout first and then repair my tire for that. Again, क्या ही बोल सकते हैं। अरे अरे, डिड यू सी यूरो? यूरो तो भाई जंप हो गया है। गैप डाउन ओपनिंग। नहीं यार, ठीक नहीं है। मैं तो ट्रेड नहीं कर रही हूँ। नो ट्रेड टुडे। तुम यूरो देखो, अभी यूरो में क्या हुआ है। एक मिनट यार, एक तो स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ मैं इसमें ही। या तो ये अभी हमारी यहाँ पर हुई है गैप डाउन समथिंग।
क्या चल रहा है गाइस?
Hi, hi. Who's there? अच्छा हाँ, वरदान. How's you?
क्या चल रहा है? ट्रेड लिए कोई?
नहीं यार, तुम देखो प्राइस एक्शन कितना खराब चल रहा है अभी.
तेरी मम्मी
प्राइस
बोल रही थी
प्राइस एक्शन is going very bad right now. I was thinking to take a buy right over here, but मैंने वो रिमूव ही कर दिया अपना बाय स्टॉप सी. कैंडल ही नीचे खुल गई इसमें. न्यूज़ है ना यार, आज एनएफपी भी है and a lot of news is there.
हाँ इसीलिए।
That it's very difficult to manage both यार, डिस्कॉर्ड एंड यूट्यूब साथ में ना वो होता ही नहीं है. अलग सा हो रहा है काफी. हम्म.
क्या दिक्कत आ रही?
यार जब मैं ये अपना लाइव स्ट्रीम खोलती हूँ तो वो बंद हो जाता है. ये खोलती हूँ तो वो बंद हो जाता है. तो मैं इसमें
कैसे?
हाँ, अब बोला. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है बट ठीक है. फिर इससे सबका इंटरेक्शन रहता है यार, तो बेटर है. सबका एनालिसिस पता लग जाता है. ठीक है गाइस, तो रैप अप करते हैं. नो ट्रेड फॉर टुडे. बी सेफ. आज अगर रिस्क लोगे तो कम लेना. बाकी इस कैंडल को देख के तो ऐसे ही लग रहा है कि प्राइस में काफी स्प्रेड्स भी बढ़ सकते हैं इवन. अगर तुम देखो अपने चार्ट्स पे तो वो चीज चेक कर लेना अगर स्टॉप लॉस लगाओगे अपना तो मेरे हिसाब से तो कोई ट्रेड नहीं है आज. अगर कोई होगा तुम लोगे तो ट्रेड आइडियाज में शेयर कर देना. मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली बाय का ही था यहाँ पे मेरे हिसाब से सेटअप तो, बट अगेन 2 हो गए ना. 2 बजे न्यूज थी अगेन. 1 hour is getting flipped. See, we are having the 1 hour flip plus the 4 hour flip. देखते हैं इस रेंज के कुछ आगे पीछे कोई मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर मिलता है तो देखेंगे. बाकी आज का तो किल जोन ऑलमोस्ट हो रहा होगा. जब एंट्री मिलती है ना हमें किल जोन में, तो किल जोन की एंट्री में हम ये कि हमें पहले आर में एंट्री मिल जाए तो वेल एंड गुड है, तो वो हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी कंसिडर होती है वैसे भी. तो इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन 2 अब तो. ऑलराइट गाइस, देन सी या टुमारो सेम टाइम. देखते हैं आ जाना. अगर कोई ट्रेड मिला तो विल टेक टुगेदर. रेस्ट ट्रेड वेल, लेट्स ट्रेड, लेट्स ग्रो टुगेदर. बाकी कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी, कोई डाउट होगा, जस्ट चैट बॉक्स में बता देना एंड वी कैन सी व्हाट हैपेंस. बाकी न्यूयॉर्क में अगर कोई लाइव आएगा तो देख लेंगे आज. कोई ट्रेड का डिस्कशन करना होगा तो न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में कर लेंगे. रेस्ट यू गाइस. बाय.
ओके बाय.
बाय बाय, टेक केयर.